Would you like to know about RPA and how bots can help you with your daily operations? Stay tuned, we're going to cover that in this video. Hello and welcome to our channel, where we discuss the latest developments in the area of technology. Today we're going to talk about RPA, or Robotic Process Automation. RPA is a technology that has gained immense popularity through the years, and it's for a good reason. It has the potential to revolutionize the way organizations operate by automating tasks, improving efficiency, and reducing cost. Let's dig deeper into this and learn together what are the top use cases of RPA. The first use case of RPA is data entry and migration. Data entry and migration are tedious and time-consuming tasks that can be automated using RPA. RPA bots can easily import data from invoices, spreadsheets, and many other documents into databases, eliminating the need of human intervention. This makes the entire process not only faster, but more accurate, since it eliminates the risk of human errors. The second use case of RPA is invoice processing. RPA bots can import data from invoices into accounting systems, delivering a process with a 0% error as an outcome. Also, RPA bots can validate invoice data against predefined rules, flagging any type of discrepancies and reducing the risk of fraud. The third use case of RPA is customer service. RPA bots can be used to automate routine tasks, such as responding to customer inquiries and resolving issues, freeing up the customer services representative to handle more complex situations. Also, organizations can use RPA bots to use the customer data, analyze the customer data, and provide more custom responses, and also improving the overall customer experience. The fourth use case of RPA is HR management. RPA can automate tasks such as employee onboarding, payroll processing, and time tracking. What is the goal with all of this? Allow the human resources team to focus on more meaningful and strategic tasks. Also, RPA bots can provide self-service options for the employees, so we can reduce the workload of the human resources team. The fifth use case of RPA is financial operations. RPAs can be used to automate tasks such as account reconciliation, financial reporting, and fraud detection. RPA bots can be used to analyze the data in real time, so it can provide insights about your financials reporting and decisions. Now that we have discussed the top use cases of RPA, let's recap all of those benefits that your organization will get when implementing RPA. The first one is improved efficiency. By automating mundane tasks, RPA frees up employees to focus on more complex tasks, improving the overall efficiency. The second one is improved accuracy. RPA bots are programmed to follow predefined rules, reducing the chances of errors and implementing accuracy. The third one is reduced cost. RPA bots can handle repetitive tasks at a faster pace. Time equals money the majority of the time. The fourth one is improved compliance. RPA bots can be programmed to follow strict compliance rules, reducing the risk of non-compliance and associated penalties. And the final one is employee satisfaction. By automating mundane tasks, RPA upskills your employees, improving the overall job satisfaction. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel if you would like to see more valuable content like this one, and see you next time. Bye-bye.